Good afternoon, tutor and companions. My name is Alejandro Urquijo. I am 34 years old. I am studying environment engineering. I am married. I have a son, and my wife is pregnant. This is video about of Metropolitan Simón Bolívar Park in Bogotá. Is very representative of city. Have Lair Lake, very green areas, playgrounds, center events, concerts, have a parking of more 300 cars. This is a place of the summer festival in Bogota. Concerts how Floral Parque, Salsa Parque. I invite all of my friends to visit this park, enjoy and family day. It's very beautiful. Thank you very much.